Hi. This is a user guide to a free open-source project EyeTrackingMouse. EyeTrackingMouse is a fully functioning replacement of a computer mouse that uses the Tobii Eye Tracker 4C gaming controller. It makes possible to keep your hands over the keyboard all the time and avoid having to reach for the mouse. Besides, in most of the use cases, it is faster than the regular mouse. Make sure the eye tracker is connected and calibrated before continuing. The installation process is easy. Just download and run the setup executable from EyeTrackingMouse project on GitHub. The link is in the description. This scary dialog indicates that I didn't buy an app signing certificate yet. Click more info and run anyway. That's it. EyeTrackingMouse is ready to use. It will run automatically at Windows startup. The first important hotkey is the Windows key. When you press the Windows key, the application takes control over the cursor. Hold it and look around. The cursor will follow your gaze. You can press J to click stuff with the left mouse button. The default hotkey for the right mouse button is K. When you release the Windows key, the cursor will stop and the keyboard will function as usual. Here is a little problem. Cursor positioning is slightly imprecise. For example, right now I am looking at point A. And now I moved my gaze to point B. You can correct cursor position pressing WASD. A little attention. When people use EyeTrackingMouse for the first time, they try to compensate imprecise mouse position by shifting their gaze from the place they want to click. Believe me, it is a bad way to solve the problem. Correcting the position with WASD is much more convenient. Besides, EyeTrackingMouse will get more precise over time as it remembers your corrections. For example, if I look at A or B again, I won't need to correct the position this time. I'll say it again because it is important. Don't move your eyes from the place you want to click. Get used to WASD keys and use them often. EyeTrackingMouse is great at text editing, especially touch typing. You don't need to move your hand from the keyboard to select text or jump between paragraphs. Scrolling feels natural. Default keybindings for vertical scroll or H and N. Default keybindings for horizontal scroll or angular brackets. It is useful when you have multiple windows with text. It lets you scroll the window you currently look at. Ponder on this picture to memorize default key bindings. You can reassign the key bindings in EyeTrackingMouse settings. That's it. You know how to use EyeTrackingMouse.